Hey everyone, today I'm going over the Philips Performance Audio SHP9600MB. So I'm just calling this the Philips Performance Audio, and something to note is that there are two different models of this. This model is the SHP9600MB, and the other model is the same thing that I just said, but without the MB. Although they are two different models, the only noticeable difference is that the MB version has the headset microphone. The way to see what model you have if you already have this is to look right in here. It can be hard to see, but there's numbers down behind this netting here. So first off, I'm going to talk about the build quality. This is really good build quality for headphones. The adjustable thing never changes while I'm using it unless I want it to. This padding feels really good. It's not like a crappy kind of feel to it. Your ears will go inside this. It's an over-ear headphone, not like your ear goes on this, because this is pretty big. And these are not noise canceling. So if you're looking for noise canceling, these are in no way, shape, or form noise canceling headphones. And sometimes if you play it like really loud, you can actually hear sound through here, outside of the headphones, so that's something else to note. And if you're liking this video so far, please consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any new ones. I really like the attention to detail to fit your ear and the shape of your head. So it can rotate like this and then also like this, so it can perfectly fit your head. And yeah, so these are really good headphones. These are the best audio quality headphones that I've ever had. These headphones are also really good stereo, and you can listen to like 360 audio if you just search for 360 audio on YouTube. It sounds like there's audio all around you, so it's really good. Like I said, this one comes with the headset microphone, but it also comes with the normal like headphone plugins right here. So it's just two wires that you get with this model. I got these so I could record my music and listen to it in really high quality, and these are by far like the best audio quality headphones I've ever had, like I just said. And these are like perfect for recording music, except if you want them to be noise canceling. If you want them to be noise canceling, don't get these ones, because you can hear everything going on around you. So now for those who got the model with the microphone, I'm just going to do a quick microphone test. Hello, I am using the microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So as you heard, it wasn't the absolute best quality microphone. It doesn't even have the fuzzy wind suppression thing that a lot of the headset microphones have, but it is good for going on calls and stuff like that. Something I'd like to say is that the two wires are actually different. So the headset wire is actually not rubbery like the other one is. So this one is more of a, as you can see, it's a different material. And of course at the end here though, it goes back to the rubbery material over here. Which, unlike the main wire, this whole thing is just rubbery. And by the way, this main wire is around 10 feet, while this one is just under 5 feet. On the headset wire, we have a volume wheel and a mute and unmute switch right here. So something I really like about these headphones is that the fact that my ear goes inside this instead of on it, it doesn't hurt my ears after a while of recording music and stuff like that. Because I remember with older headphones and not as good headphones, the ones that went on my ears, they kind of over time pulled down on my ears, and when I took them off, my ears hurt. These are really, really good, especially since they are the most, these are the best padding on any headphones that I've ever had. And they have really good quality. And I like the headset microphone too, because I recently gave someone my current headset, and I like this headset a lot for just normal use, not complete professional stuff. Something I will have to say though is that this part is silver if you care about the color difference in there. On the other side of it is black, but if you care about that, that is silver there. We have the copper colored ring around here, and then the right and left notices on there. Something else to note is that this padding is actually a separate thing than the top part here. So this part is actually, it moves around, and I think it's only being held together by the left and right notices here. Some stuff that I don't like, not necessarily don't like, but just stuff that people might not like about it is, like I said, the noise canceling, the fact that you can hear what's going on outside of it if you play it loud enough, and the microphone, I would like the microphone to come with a fuzzy wind suppression thing, because a lot of times it shifts back closer to my mouth and then you hear all the breathing and stuff, so that's kind of annoying sometimes. But besides that, I completely recommend this product. It is really good. I've so far gotten really good use out of it, and it's only been like a third of a year that I've had it, so these are really good. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions about this, please put them in the comment section below. I'll also put a link on Amazon to this product. It's not affiliated or anything. As you can tell, my channel only has like 600 subscribers right now, so I'm clearly not affiliated, but that's just to tell you that you could just click that to find it if you want to pick that up. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.